Welcome to day 37 of Fit After 40, Bunny.
Hello, Risty. Happy New Year.
Happy New Year. Today is New Year's Day, and it is a Sunday, so it happens to be a weigh-in day.
Dun, dun, dun. Me too, you know, like, no parties for me last night, but I definitely had some fun on Friday night. All right, ready?
Are you ready? I'm not the one that has to get on his couch. No, we're not ready. Okay, day one, you were 270 pounds.
Yes.
The last weigh-in was day 33. You were at 255.
255.8.
255.8. Bonnie remembers the details. All right. So now is only 4 days later because we had the hiccup in the schedule. So any progress is progress at this point because we didn't get to go our whole week before the weigh-in. So let's see what we got. She steps on the scale. She looks
255.6.
255.6. Point 2. We forgot to do the measurements on day 33, so we will give them to you now. On day 37. 40? That's lower. It was a 42.
Yep.
Wow, okay. Bunny lost 2 inches off the waist. That is wild.
Oh my gosh.
Wow, we lost.
I haven't had a 57-inch hips in, I don't remember.
Well, you didn't even know how much they were before. But
well, no, I've been measured 3 years ago. I got measured to get to something tailored.
Yeah.
And it wouldn't fit across.
The 60-inch one.
Yeah.
And it's twisted too.
Is it?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's at 57. 57 and a half.
57 and a half. All right. Well done.
Guys.
So you lost 2 inches off the hips and 2 inches off the waist.
Yep.
All right. The thigh, we were at 33, I think.
It's down to 30 and a half. Easily, actually. I'm not even pulling that tight.
30 and a half. All right, then the bicep. Wow, Bunny's losing inches. Even if she ain't losing much weight. The inches are what matters.
16 and a half?
16 and a half on the bicep. I think, I don't know which, I think you were at 16 before in the bicep. I don't know, maybe.
I thought it was 18. I could be wrong. I usually am wrong.
I could be wrong too. All right.
All right.
Well done. Losing inches.
Yep.
All right, today is a hang day. Bunny's up here ready to do her record hang. She's so excited, I can see it in her face. I think she'll get an all-time record today. I think you're up to like 15 seconds now. Or like 11, 12, 15, something like that. So Bunny's going to do a record hang, then she's going to try to do a pull-up, and then I suppose I'll try to do a muscle-up. And then we'll go on our march, all right? Man, the weather is feeling real nice out. So I think we're going to have a fun walk. All right.
Ready?
Go. The clock is ticking. How long can Bunny hang? I think she's probably at about 7 seconds. Oh yeah, she's looking stronger. You see her face is shaking. Yes, she's getting stronger. That had to have been a top. That's a record. Record for sure.
Yeah.
Well done. That was a good hang. Oh! Not quite, but she yeah, she held it at a raised position, which is harder than holding it a fully extended position. So, well done. All right, good job. I guess I'll try this muscle up now.
Oh, so close!
I'm bringing Bunny out to walk, and it's like gale force winds is what it said. So she's loving it, actually.
do it right, play the game, win it life, have no shame, there's no time, feel the pain, live the grind, I could change, in my mind, pick a lane, commit and climb, the only way to win it life. I never miss, that's fact, taking big swings, put your hand to the bat, put me in the ring, you'll go out in a bag, cause I sing what I mean and I bring it to the mad light. Ain't got time to kill, I got time to feel, I took the red pill, I know life's short so I wanna live real, but how's it supposed to feel? How's it supposed to feel? How's it supposed to feel? They wanna say my name, but they holding back. They wanna say
I don't
they
think
hate,
her
but they
run
know
every
it's
call
can't
today. I'm telling you, she's probably ran the equivalent of 20 calls. I have been murking her. But it's a new year. It's a new Bunny. Bunny's getting savage this year. Bunny is on a fitness rampage that she will not give up.
I'd rather lead than be led. I'll fill the seats as I spread with every word that I've said.